Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today's doing a good look at this where it says on here Aurora Moonlight. This is one of them little galaxy projector things. I got this for free on Temu from the Fishland game, as well as a drone. So I'm opening this first, saving the best till last, so the drone will be next, because I have a feeling I'm going to play with the drone and then I'm not going to want to do this one. So I'm going to do this first. I'll probably actually use this tonight. So let's just get into the box. It doesn't really show much on the box, just like nighttime pictures, because I suppose you use this at night. It's in foreign. Lovely. Another language I can't read. Where's the English? Because English people aren't allowed to use this. None of the instructions are in English. So here's the remote. Quite a generic remote. All the LED remotes are generic. I have so many different remotes that look like this but say different brand names on them. And my PC LED remote looks exactly like this one, but we'll take off the packaging anyway. Pull the thing at the bottom so the remote actually works. I'm not sure how often you need the remote, because I thought it's one of the things where you just sort of plug it in and leave it. Here it is. Oh, I was expecting it to be... So I was hoping it was going to be USB-C. I was hoping it was going to be USB-C, but I thought, no, it'll just be micro USB. It's mini USB. That's really random. But all it does is power, so I don't really need to whinge about it too much. Put stuff back in the box. So here it is. It's quite lightweight, actually. Not gonna lie, I thought it was going to be heavier. But yeah, here it is. So that's where the Galaxy stuff is. Remote receiving area, that's where that goes in, the on and off bit, no battery, and that's how bright it is, I think. Yeah, that's all there is to it. So I've got a plug here, I've got the cable it came with. Probably could do with a longer one, but I do... Oh, that's not going in there. I do have spare mini USB cables, so if this one's not long enough I can find a replacement. So let's plug it in. Don't know where this is going to go permanently. I don't have a permanent place for it yet. I've got to turn it on. Oh wow, that's actually really cool. I don't know where this is going to go. Do you just stick it on the floor? So there it is on the floor, which can obviously not really be a permanent place, but I suppose I don't have to leave it there. But look what it's done. That's really cool. So we've got the remote here. And I just want to see what the remote does. So LED. Oh, now it's gone all green. Oh, so that changes how the background looks. That's like the moon there. And you can change it so it's like blue. Moon. Oh, so that turns the moon on and off. Laser. Oh, okay, so it's just like that. That's quite cool as well. Put the laser on. Light mode. Oh, it just changes the brightness of them. Motor speed, what's that do? Oh, it makes it move. Oh, that's really cool actually. So it wasn't moving before. The brightness, you can make it brighter, I think. And it's got colour mode. Oh, so you can make it red. But that it's apparently not good to have red on while you're asleep. Oh, it switches between. You could choose permanent colours, so you can have red. So it just stay permanently like that. I think that's blue. Oh, that's red and blue. Oh wait, can you just do all of them? Oh right. So that's quite cool. And then you can set timers. So if you wanted it on for how long, like for while you're asleep, you click like 2 hours. And it would just like stay on for 2 hours and turn itself off. You can also have it white. That looks quite cool. Yeah, I'm not really sure what else I can say on this. It looks cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys come back for the drone video, because that should hopefully be much more interesting.